everybody. I wanted to just take a minute to answer one question that we get quite a lot, which is, number one, are we going to put up artwork and put holes in the wall? And number two, can we use like command hooks or something like that instead? So to answer the question, yes, of course we are going to put up artwork. Artwork is super important to a property, and just to get it to look beautiful and cohesive and make it look like it's a polished, well-designed space. And in order to do that, we do need to put holes in the wall. We can't use command hooks because a lot of times when properties are freshly painted, actually there's a certain time frame that command recommends that you don't use those hooks within that time frame. So, we don't want to put up those hooks and have them fall down with the artwork. So we do put nails in the wall to hang our artwork. But the good thing is we use nails that cause the most minimal amount of damage or impact to the wall possible. For the majority of what we do, we use these OOK hooks, O-O-K hooks, and they are a little black nail with a little brass hook on it. These are perfect for, I would say, 95 to 98% of the pieces that we hang, because we make sure that we use artwork that is, for the most part, lightweight and easy to hang so that it won't impact your walls that much. For stuff that's a little heavier, we might use these 3M claw style drywall hooks. And those sometimes hold a little bit more weight. They put two tiny little punch holes in the wall, but either one of these are great options for hanging on drywall, and we can also use these OOK hooks on plaster as well. The only time we would use something like a screw or an alternate hanger is if we're hanging on, let's say, a laminate or a panel, wood panel wall or something like that, or a brick wall. And in those cases, we will really try not to hang anything on those walls if we can avoid it, because we don't want to cause damage to wood paneling or stone or brick or anything like that. So I'm going to very quickly show you how we hang our artwork. It's super simple. We'll just take our OOK hook right here, figure out where we want our artwork to go. Sometimes there's a wire on the back, so if we have a wire, the OOK hook is perfect, and we can just hang it right there from that wire. And that gives us plenty of room to move it around and level it. If it's a canvas piece of artwork, it's usually pretty lightweight, and we can hang it right from the frame of the canvas. And even if we're hanging something like this, that looks a little bit more interesting. A lot of times people think you have to put a screw hole in that, but these OOK hooks work just fine for this type of stuff as well. There you go. Our artwork is up. And then once we need to take it down, simple, pretty easy to take it down. Sometimes we have to get a hammer to get it out, but sometimes we don't. And it just leaves a tiny little pinhole. You probably can't even see it there. So if you want, you can spackle that up, but buyers typically understand that a house that's been lived in is going to have a couple holes in the walls. But these types of holes are not a problem for anybody. We've never gotten a complaint. So I hope you found that useful. Bye.